Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. Today I have with me here the DJI Osmo Action, which is a beautiful rugged camera which is for the people who live a very active and an adventure lifestyle and love to get into those adventurous sports. Now we're going to talk about it, what this bad boy packs, but let's look at what it packs inside the box. It has the camera which comes with the casing on it. It's got the mounting clamp. It comes with two, but the box I received only had one. One thing I liked it's got this one, it's got a little bit curved, so in case you are mounting it on a little bit on a curved surface, it just holds itself together very beautifully. It also comes with the flat one. It comes with a mounting screw which is used to basically lock the device onto the right place, and of course the camera itself along with USB Type-C charging cable. Before we look at what this bad boy can do, let's see what it has on the physicality of it. As you can see, the clamp comes out and you can just slide it out of the casing. Beautiful looking piece. You got the power and the display button here, the record button on one side, other side. It's got a dual lock mechanism for the battery, which is, as you can see here, there's a dual lock mechanism for the battery, and if you see the tiny little orange thing here, which simply shows that the battery is not packed in. But let's take the battery out. You can remove the battery and you can just slide it back in, and if you see a little orange here, that means your battery is not in place. So please make sure that you have a look at it here. And then on the other side, we have the USB Type-C charging port and the micro SD card slot, which is again neatly packed up. And then we have a switch here to look at various options inside it. It's got two sensors here, one on the top, one on the side. So audio quality of this is not too bad at all. We're going to put this back inside the case and try to turn it on now that we looked at what it is inside. So that now one of the things I loved about it is this has got dual screen. It's got this big touch screen here, and then you got the screen in the front as well, and it is fairly easy to switch between the screens, and we're going to look at it how we can do it as well. But let's talk about what kind of pictures and what kind of videos it can take. So the camera is 12 megapixel. It has something called the RockSteady, the newest stabilization technology, which means even while on the move, your pictures and videos are gonna be pretty sturdy. It can do 4K HDR video and a 4K video at 60 frames per second, which is pretty awesome. It can also do 8x slow motion as well, and it's shockproof, dustproof, waterproof, down to the depth of 11 meters. But if you want to go, want to go deeper than that, you will definitely need an additional housing or an additional casing that on top of this. But with the current casing, you can go as deep as 11 meters, and which means great work for the snorkeling if you want to go down there and enjoy the water. We're going to look at some other basic features. So one is it doesn't have its own memory, so you need to insert a micro SD card. It can take up to 256 GBs memory card, and you need to have to connect it to your phone. You can just use the DJI Memo app, and you can control it from there as well. Along with taking the 4K videos, it can, on a full battery, it can last approximately about 2 hours. So which means, but again, that is when you're recording at 1080p at 30 frames per second without RockSteady. If you go on to the 4K with this RockSteady enable, it can still do about an hour and a half of recording. Just all you have to do, and to get the advanced options and to get the information and the quality that you are looking for to go into advanced settings, you just need to install the DJI Memo app, log into with your DJI credential, and you are able to, this thing connects to it pretty smoothly. I'm going to try doing that with my device. Let me see if I can find it. As you can see, you got a QR code here, so when you install the app anyways, it just automatically detects it. You don't have to really worry about it. Now, along with dual screen, HDR video, and the RockSteady technology, let's look at what these screens can do for us. Cool. I'm gonna leave some screenshots at the bottom to show you how, a screenshot at the end of the video for you to see what all options you can configure using only this device, and also at the same time what all options you can do when you are using the mobile phone connectivity. So Guys, this is DJI Osmo Action, and this is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off. If you have any questions regarding DJI Osmo Action, please leave a comment below. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you want it better, just do let us know what all changes do you want and how do you like to see your videos. This is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.